I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth on your iPhone. First, access your control center by swiping down from the top right corner on newer iPhones or up from the bottom on older models. Then, simply tap the Bluetooth icon to quickly turn it on or off. For more detailed settings and device management, you'll want to head over to the Settings app. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few seconds. To pair a new device, first make sure your Bluetooth accessory is powered on and in pairing mode. This usually involves holding a button for a few seconds until an indicator light flashes. Next, open your iPhone Settings app, tap on Bluetooth, and wait for your device to appear under Other Devices. Simply tap its name to initiate the connection. This process typically takes less than 10 seconds. Once connected, you can manage your Bluetooth devices within the Settings app. Here, you'll see a list of all your paired and currently connected accessories. Tapping the small I icon next to a device's name allows you to access options like disconnecting or forgetting the device. Forgetting a device removes it from your iPhone's memory, requiring repairing if you wish to use it again. If you encounter issues, first ensure both your iPhone and the Bluetooth accessory are sufficiently charged and within a 10-meter range. Try toggling Bluetooth off and on again on your iPhone. A simple restart of both your iPhone and the accessory can often resolve minor glitches. As a last resort, you can reset your iPhone's network settings, which will clear all Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.